Hello everyone, in this video I will bring you a new iOS style theme with iOS icon pack. Apply iOS dialer. Support light mode and dark mode. This theme have many features on lock screen. You can custom any more, custom date and clock style. Widgets under clock. Color of widgets. This is folder wallpapers features. You can double tap to change lock screen wallpapers in folder. Level of depth effect. Enable or disable dynamic island. Change style of lock screen notch. This theme only available in Chinese theme store. You can find this theme name if you running stock Chinese ROM. Don't worry if your device running global ROM. I created backup this theme, and you can use my backup to install this theme. After install theme, you can custom it, open theme app, customize theme then lock style to custom. This option to change lock screen depth effect wallpaper. Upper line select N file. Lower line select JPG file. Enable or disable depth effect. Level of depth effect. Custom screen wake up animation. Zoom animation effect. Custom text widgets. Enter ant text you want show on lock screen. Here. Set up folder wallpapers features. Open File Manager, then create new folder with name. Paste all wallpapers into this folder, both PG and JPG format. Double tap to change wallpapers in folder. Do the same with theme default wallpapers. In the custom section of the theme, there are many customizations. You can customize according to your personal opinion. Backup file and video description. Use it to install this theme on your global devices. I hope you will like this theme. Thanks for watching my video. See you in net video coming soon. Don't forget subscribe my channel if you like it. Bye bye.